Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to show jobs with salaries on Indeed. So first of all, you will have to open the Indeed app on the Android device. So you will have to open the Indeed and you will see there is are shown the salaries. So of course you will have to open and you will see the pay button is will tell you how much they will pay you. So this is how to you can see the salaries on Indeed jobs. So it's very easy. You will just open the job details and you will see very easily the salaries of job. There are many options, many jobs, so you will have to reach. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.